there, this is another homophone lesson. I've had several lessons that have to do with words that sound the same but have different spellings and different meanings. So today, our first pair of homophones is the word peace. Peace, P-E-A-C-E, and peace, P-I-E-C-E. So peace, P-E-A-C-E, means calm or no war. And I drew a peace sign here. We all want peace. We all want calm and no war. Peace. That's different from the word peace, P-I-E-C-E. And that means a part of something. I ate one piece of pizza. So I drew a picture here, and this is one piece of this whole. You might eat a piece of pie or a piece of cake. Or you might have a puzzle that has pieces. This piece, P-E-A-C-E, is calm and no war. And this piece, P-I-E-C-E, is a part of something. And that's the difference. What's the difference between these two words? You pronounce it wait, wait. Wait, W-A-I-T, means to stay until later. Please wait here. I want you to stop and stay until later. Wait. Different from this word weight, W-E-I-G-H-T, which means how heavy something is. Weight, how much it weighs, is the weight. The doctor checked the baby's weight. How much does the baby weigh? That's without the T. Weigh and then weight. So, wait, W-A-I-T, is stay until later. I want you to stop. I want you to wait and stay. This weight, W-E-I-G-H-T, is how heavy something is. And that's the difference. Our next two words are ate and ate. This ate, A-T-E, means the past tense of the word eat. She ate breakfast early. So, ate is the past tense of a verb to eat. She eats bananas every day. That's the present tense. She ate a banana yesterday. That's the past tense. She ate, the past tense, breakfast early in the morning. This ate, E-I-G-H-T, is the number 8. There are 8 students in class. A-T-E, 8, the past tense of the verb eat. E-I-G-H-T is the number 8. And you say them the same way because they are homophones, same sound. And that's the difference. These two homophones are tail and tail. You say them exactly the same, tail and tail. T-A-L-E means a story. Someone tells you a tale, a story. That is a well-known fairy tale. Fairy tale like Cinderella. That is a fairy tale. This tail, T-A-I-L, is an animal part, right? It's on the back end of an animal. The dog wagged its tale, okay? Tale, T-A-L-E, is a story. T-A-I-L is a part of an animal. And that's the difference. What's the difference between these two homophones? They sound the same. Aloud and allowed. Allowed. This allowed, A-L-L-O-W-E-D, is permitted. If, first of all, it's past tense, allowed. If I allow something, I am permitting you to do it. This is, phones are not allowed in class. They're not permitted. It's not okay to use your phone in class. So phones are not allowed. That's different from this word, allowed, which I want you to look. This loud means a sound, right? You turn up the volume, how loud something sounds. Aloud means spoken out loud. He read the sentence aloud. So in class, you can read something in your mind silently, or you can read it aloud. You can say it out loud. Allowed means permitted. This allowed, A-L-O-U-D, means spoken out loud. And that's the difference. I hope you enjoyed this homophone lesson. And if you're not already a subscriber, tap that subscribe button. I want to teach you English word by word.